All right, many thanks. Welcome back. Of course, today is a big day. You're on the Power Breakfast Show. We're going to focus on entertainment and at the same time really celebrating what 2013 had for us, even as we usher in 2014. Remember, mad entertainment happening here. We have a band on set. But at the same time, we have one of our celebrated musicians, singers, if you like, Mr. Ringtone in the house. Karibu bana. Hey. His story is powerful. His story is absolutely powerful. The way you grew up, the way you made it even into the entertainment world. It's big, but we want to celebrate you. But perhaps just a bit, so that we appreciate where you have been, just a bit. And then now we celebrate the things that you are doing right now. Just tell us a bit about yourself, very quickly, just briefly.
I'm a gospel artist, and above all, I'm a person who thanks God every day for making me a somebody, because I do not really qualify to be a person I am today. I'm a person who was rejected, abandoned on the street, and today I thank God that I can be a role model to inspire millions of young people across Kenya, maybe across the region.
Yes. Ringtone, hiyo jina ilitokea wapi?
Kuna wakati nilikuwa najaribu kuwa msanii. And kabla nitafute jina, nilijita majina mengi.
Kama gani kabla ufikie Ringtone?
Kuna mmoja nilikuwa najitanga MC Delight.
MC Delight.
Nilikuwa najita ile nilijita sana, I think it was MC Delight. As na Mr. Tony. So, lakini sasa nikakuja kurealize jina yangu si Tony, alafu nikajita Mr. Alexi, because my real name is Alex. Then I finally siku moja nikawa nina hiyo time nikapata magazine imeandikwa ma ringtones, you know, zinauzwa. Then so nikapata idea. And that time I used to stay with Rafton. So nikapata idea, nikajiuliza ringtone. So for like a whole day nilikuwa nafikiria jina ringtone. Nilikuwa nakaa smart. Now kenye kili happen, nikapata revelation. Nikapray. Najua mimi muomba.
Muhimu.
Alafu sasa Mungu akanipea revelation. Akaniambia soma Revelation 3:20. Na Bible inasema, I knew you before you even born and I predestined you. No, sorry. The Bible says that, behold, I stand outside the door and knock. All right? So nikajiuliza, how does God come kienyeji like that and stand outside the door and knock? Mimi kwangu kwenye naishi nimeweka bell. Ukikuja kwangu una press bell nje mlango na ina ring kwa nyumba, inaniita kwamba kuna John Makazi kwa mlango. So kwangu huwezi kuja ugonge, una press bell. Sasa kazi hiyo bell ni nini? It's a vessel nimeweka kusaidia mgeni kuniita kutoka kwa nyumba kwamba kuna mgeni kwa mlango. So nikajiuliza, kama Yesu anasema behold I stand outside the door and knock, then anatumia pia yeye ma vessels. Na nikasoma Bible realize ni ukweli amekuwa akitumia ma prophet, ma apostle, you know, watu kao. So realize, nikajiuliza, kwa hii generation God anatumia watu kaa gani? Hata wasanii sasa ameongeza tena sasa. Kwa hii generation anatumia mpaka waimbaji. Sasa mimi Ringtone, I'm a musician. So I'm a bell. Nimeweka kwa mlango. Yesu anakuja, ananipress. Nina ring, nikiambia Pamela njoo, Yesu anakungoja.
Yes. Nice one. Sasa nimeshika Ringtone bana.
Yes.
So niambie mzee, jani yako yenyewe umebonga, tushasikia. The things zime happen life yako. Kama kuna hii accident ilitokea. We are celebrating and it's good. We are celebrating and people are traveling big time. But most of the times when we hear of road accidents, we think ni ya wale watu wengine. Unajua ni ya wale watu wengine. But it doesn't matter who you are. You might just be on the wrong side of the road. You might be driving carefully, but there is also another person who is totally flouting traffic rules. Ilikuwaje kwako? Ulikuwa unatuambia tu hiyo story, ulitoka home, ilikuwa vipi?
I'll start by saying in my life I've had many accidents. And but I have a particular one that I decided to tell the story. You know, I believe God allows us to have stories so that we can be able to use our stories to just touch people's lives. Nakumbuka just last year, I was driving with my friends. Tunapendanga ma weekends, ma Friday hivi tunaenda Naivasha. You know, just like yeah, tunaenda place kama huko, tunaenda for example bonding, you know, hata ukitaka kuandika ngoma mpya unaenda place huko. So we were driving with my friends, and ile gari tunaendesha ilikuwa ni gari iko na speed na yes, tulikuwa na enjoy sana. You know, we are young people. The things I love are the things most of the young people love. So tunapenda speed na tunapenda kupita kila gari kwa barabara. Ndio tuipite. Ndio sasa. So ukipita mnabambika
kuna nyingine mbele tuipite.
Sasa ndio hivyo. Sasa tulikuwa tunapita every car. Tuka approach corner na mabeshte zangu. Mimi baadaye tukiingia kwa gari mimi nilifunga belt.
Wewe ulikuwa na drive ama ilikuwa ni?
Hapana, ni beshte yangu alikuwa na drive. So mimi nilifunga belt. Mabeshte zangu hawakufunga, walikuwa wawili hawakufunga. So baada ya kudrive tukipita kila gari, tukiovertake careless, tukapata kona, tukaroll. Na venye tuliroll, mabeshte zangu hawakusurvive, mimi nikasurvive. Na nilisurvive just because of one thing only. I had a safety belt on. So because of the many accidents that have been happening, azna ni vitu azna zina ni touch. So nika feel kwa nini ni come up being a musician. I have a voice, I am a voice. Why can't I come out, tell people, even if it's just only one thing, that ukipanda gari you must have your safety belt on. So right now nime come out, I've written a song about my story, how accidents how the accidents have touched affected my life, and I'm trying to go out there telling people the things that they must do. Number one, ukiingia kwa gari you must have your safety belt on.
Safety belt back.
You must. Number two, usipande gari overcrowded. It is not I know tuko na haraka, unataka kwenda place, but it's better ufike late kuliko ukose kufika. And number three, naambia tu mavijana, because mimi being a young person, the people I touch most are youth. So I'm trying to, the things I've written, I'm kind of biased to the youth. So I'm trying to touch the lives of the youth. And I believe that the youth are the Kenya of tomorrow. And we are over 75%. So me, I'm just concentrating with the 75% of Kenya. The youth, don't drink and drive. As naambia mavijana, mkifika place, kama even if it means, wengine tunafanyanga accident aje. Mimi na drive, naona mtu ana overtake, naona gari na come, na mimi nakuwa kichwa ngumu, siwezi allow huyu ani overtake.
Hata badala slow kidogo.
Yeah. So I just want people to just have a good heart on the road. I imagine inaweza kuwa pia wewe ulikuwa unataka kukimbia place una overtake, mtu akakufanyia hivyo, you get an accident, is not good. So we just need to be good people on the road. I'm a Christian, and I believe that the Bible tells us we have to just have to treat our neighbors the way we could expect to be treated. So that's basically the little thing I can do for my country. Being a young person who loves Kenya, and I don't have another place in the world I'll ever call home. So I'm just passionate. I just want to use the little I can do. Just one day nikiwa 50, 60, nikiwa 100 years, and I can look back and say, I just did something for my country.
Wazee, hiyo ni story kwa sababu hii story ya December kwanza kesho watu wanasafiri deadly.
It is true.
And it's important we take care. Tuzungumzie story ya music. Hii year 2013 unaweza kumbuka nini kuhusu music?
Me, the most things that I did in 2013, I remember I visited thousands of schools. Just to tell my story that I told you I don't want to say today.
It's a powerful story, I tell you.
I visited thousands of schools, and I was able to inspire millions of young people, I can say. And 2013 to me it was special because we had a peaceful election. we didn't have violence like 2007. At least I can say for the first time, our country will move forward. You know, we are used to a culture where we build our country, after 5 years we destroy, then we build again, then we destroy. So as I'm just excited.